Okay, so that sound you hear, that is the clicking noise that has plagued my laptop for the past year and resulted in the death of 3 logic boards. They just repaired it, and it's still doing it. As the earlier video showed, the fan was going crazy for no reason. Nothing particular is running on this thing, and it's making this crazy noise. So, yeah. And it seems to be coming from this region up here. Again, that's all clear. And earlier, the thing was starting to bug out, and I had to restart it. And I'm not doing anything right now. Again, speaker's off, and it's coming from this region in here. I personally think it's a short, but who knows? All right.